Welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to import an existing wallet in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Unstoppable application on your device. On the home screen, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see a small icon. Click on it. Here, you can see Import Wallet button. Click on it. And you can import a wallet from your recovery phrase. Select the first option and you will be prompted to enter the 12 or 24-digit code here. Type in the code and click on Next. Then your wallet will be imported. You can also import it from iCloud. Select the second option and log into your iCloud. If you have backup your file in the local folder, you can click on From Files button and select the file where you have backed up. Or you can also import it from Exchange Wallet. You need to connect the wallet in centralized exchange. So that is how you can import your existing wallet in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.